Hey and welcome to module 3.2, what is a lead magnet? And in this video, you're going to discover what a lead magnet is. Now, in layman's terms, in super simple terms, a lead magnet is a marketing term for a free item or service that is given away for the purpose of gathering contact details. For example, lead magnets can be a lot of things. For example, we wanted to put solar panels on our roof, and we checked out a couple of these companies that are actually selling these solar panels. Now, what one of these companies did was very cool. They created a 3D render of the house, giving us a lot of insight on where we could place these solar panels on our roof. And in order to get more information, we had to enter our email address and phone number as well. Now, just like that, the company that is selling these solar panels has now got my email address, my phone number, and my home address, all by basically giving this free 3D render and this free report, giving me more information about what they actually do and what it can actually mean for me. However, I can already hear you thinking like, this is complicated, 3D renders, all that stuff. Well, this company actually went beyond, and I think for this specific thing, selling solar panels, they do need to put in a little bit more effort because there's just a lot of competition on the market right now, and the price of these solar panels are usually significantly higher. Now, if we want to keep it simple, you can actually do so as well. We are, and I can't see why you shouldn't keep things simple as well. Other lead magnet examples can be trial subscriptions, samples. For example, if you're selling something like a makeup, you can send a free little sample to the person that is going to leave their contact details with you. It can be white papers, newsletters or e-newsletters, ebooks, reports, free consultations. And in essence, marketers use these lead magnets to create sales leads. But again, we are going to keep things extremely simple in this training. We are actually going to send out a free report. And what this report is, since we are selling a chatbot building and marketing suite, it only made sense for us to compile something around the lines that shows the benefits of chatbots to people. So what we did, we actually went out there and tried to find as many insights and statistics that show a lot of cool stuff about chatbots. And we compiled all those things, all those stats, all those insights into this report. And now we have like 309 valuable insights and amazing statistics found from all over the web, all compiled in this curated report. So this way, people don't have to go out their way and find all these stats on their own. They simply get a ton of real good value right there on what chatbots have been doing for the last couple of years for other businesses. And I gotta tell you, there's some very sweet stats in there that actually blew my mind as well. So that's pretty cool. There's actually some case studies here as well. All that stuff is inside that guide. To be honest, that guide only took like 1 or 2 days to compile. Again, it didn't take that much time. The most time actually went into finding all these statistics and making sure that there were no duplicates in this report as well. Now, as you can see, this is just a curated list we gathered from all over the web, and this can be a lead magnet as well. And with that said, in this module, you will discover how we use this specific lead magnet in order to generate more Messenger subscribers and how we do it all within the Messenger ecosystem, basically generating that curiosity, as you can see right here in front of you. This is an actual Messenger conversation where we are about to generate the email lead. And then if they left their email address with us, we can now send them that guide via email, or what you're also going to discover, send that lead magnet inside the Messenger conversation as well, as you can see right here in this example. Now, with that said, I want to just conclude this video with one simple thought. If you have a lead magnet already, that's great. Then you can already go at it and make sure that you add that lead magnet inside your flows. If not, this would be a great time to start thinking of what of value you can give away to your audience for free. Again, it doesn't have to be a big thing. Like the company selling solar panels, giving me all these 3D mock-ups of my house with satellite footage, plus adding a free report, giving me more information, all to get my contact details, might seem a bit much. And frankly, I think it is. And it can be much simpler. As you have seen right here in this example, it can be a simple free report with something of value that your audience loves. That said, good luck on finding your lead magnet, and I will see you in the next video.